If you're looking for something good, you have to really price out your crafting supplies. But if you're in a pinch, or if you're just starting out and you just want to try things, Dollar Tree is an excellent place to come. And even if you've been crafting and sewing for a long time, they still have some really good pricing on a lot of things. Their yarn selection is really good for $1.25. I mean, yes, at Joann's I used to be able to get this kind here for 99 cents on sale, but that's been the lowest I've ever seen it. If you just need a tiny piece of fabric, you can come for $1.25 and find it here. I don't care for their paint selections because you can get these paints for 58 cents at Walmart, 63 cents at the most, so I don't get my paints here, but they do have a good deals on their brushes. And they also have really good deals on these double-sided tapes for using in all kinds, and their adhesive dots work very well. They're getting into resin, so you can try, and now they have dyes, so there's a lot of different products you can try. They have a little mica powders now for your resins. They don't sell resin, but you have little tubes of Mod Podge, and I love my tacky glue, always gotta have that. So that's a really good deal. And they have nice canvases, and then they even have ones that you can color in, but they do have nice stretched canvases here for this size, an 8x10s for $1.25 and an 11x14 for $1.25. So those are super good prices. And then for your jewelry making, these are super good prices. So you can get jump rings for $1.25. There's a lot of different pieces if you're doing any beading, friendship bracelets, things like that. There's a lot of good prices on that. Their glitter also is very good, very well priced. I get this, I've tried all different kinds of places, and they really have good. I just discovered these metal tags, which are really nice if you have a laser machine that you can engrave with. And here's actually, they do have epoxy resin. So how about that? So if you want to just try it out before you start buying the expensive, $60 jars of it, you can just come here and try a little bit out and practice. Another thing is, if you don't feel like going to buy a big paper pack at Michael's or somewhere for 10 bucks, you can come here and just, here's like 3 pieces of cardstock for $1.25. Comes with a little stencil, big deal, but that's it's great for that. There's also a lot of different kinds of things here. They even have the silicone molds for your resins now, and then they'll give they have different kinds of things all the time. Here's some fusible interfacing that you can try if you didn't. And these are, these are great just to try out different things, or if you just need a little bit more, you don't have time to go to a bigger store, this is a great place to come and buy a lot of these things. So some of the things that are really good price too are their washi tapes, and people are usually don't realize how many they have. So they have this one here. They get new ones all the time. This one's a staple. They usually have this one. This one I see a lot as well. This one I see all the time, but I didn't see this one before. So they do have a lot of several selections of that. They're pretty empty right now. I have a feeling, are these made in China? I don't know. They might be. I thought they might have. Yeah, no, they are in China. All the paper goods here at Dollar Tree are low right now because of the negotiations with Canada right now. But the stretch cord is super good prices. So for $1.25 for all that, and also your baker's twine, which you can do so many things with. I use this for my bookbinding, my journaling, things like that, and same with the stretch cords. Those are really great for journaling. So I have, and I think I have, I own their craft clamps. I own probably almost everything here. I have stuff, the bigger clamps. I have the piercing tools, the spatulas, like everything I've gotten over the years. So these are great prices. And then if you want to do woodworking, I will tell you, they do carry vinyl, and they have a huge selection of stickers. I forgot about the stickers. I don't buy them here anymore because I have so many stickers. I just had to make a deal with myself that I won't buy anymore because I have just way too many. And they do have vinyls. I don't know how well they work because I don't use a Cricut machine or anything like that. But if you have metalworking, this is if you're doing laser. Look at this, 3 pieces for $1.25 of these. If you're just starting out and you don't really want to spend a lot of money buying in bulk. Lots of different things, and then lots of woodworking stuff. So this is one of my favorite sections, and these little baby clothespins are so fun for journaling and crafting. I use them in my journals, like for little book tags and things like that. They're so adorable. So there's a lot of things you can do here with crafting, and I love, another great product are these beads. So for $1.25, the wood beads are really, really good price. Lots of different things you can do, things you can make in your office. Anyway, just these 2 aisles have so many things, and it's so worth a trip here.